Hello students and welcome to GK classes. Today we will be doing chapter 13, that is irrigation and power projects. Children, do you know what is the meaning of irrigation? Irrigation is to provide water to the plants. You know, agriculture is required for human beings because we get our food, the main source of the food we get from agriculture, and if you want to grow the plants, it is very important that the required amount of water is given to the plants. So irrigation, for irrigation we are depending on rivers. So we have certain projects on these rivers. So this chapter is about that. So first one is Bhakra Nangal project, and it is in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. Because of this project, it is helping so many states. How many states? 3 states. Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan are benefited because of this project, and this project is mainly on which river? Satluj river. Then it is Bees project. Again, which all states are benefited? We have Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Okay, you have to see that river is flowing from which all states. So all those states could be benefited because of that. And it is this project is based on Bees and Satluj river. Then we have Chambal project. Now the states are Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and it is situated on Chambal river. Then we have Damodar Valley project, and it is helping West Bengal and Bihar states, and it is which river it is which river is having this project? That is Damodar river. Then we have Farka Barrage project, and it is only West Bengal which is benefited because of this project, and it is on Ganga river. Gandak project, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh states are benefited because of this project, and the river name is Gandak river. Then we have Hirakund Dam, this dam project, and it is Odisha state which is benefited because of it, and it is on Mahanadi river. Then we have Kosi project. You know, Kosi river flows from Bihar, so it is Bihar state which is benefited because of this project, and it is on Kosi river. Then we have 9th one as Koina project, and Maharashtra state is benefited because of that, and it is on river Koina. Then we have Mahi project helping Rajasthan and Gujarat, and it is Mahi river, and it is on Mahi river, this project. Children, for Gujarat, for our state, it is actually Narmada river, and because of Narmada water, it is helping us in water supply as well as in irrigation. Now this chapter is basically focusing on irrigation. Okay, Khakrapar project, it is in Gujarat. Tapi river, you know, Tapi river is in Surat. Then we have Nagarjuna Sagar Dam project, which is helping Andhra Pradesh state, and it is on Krishna river. Then we have third, Narmada Valley project. As I said that just now, it is helping Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan, and it is on which river? Narmada river. Then we have Rihan Dam project helping Uttar Pradesh and Bihar states, and it is on Rihad river. Then we have Tungabhadra project helping Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka states, and it is on which river? Tungabhadra river. We have Ukai project helping Gujarat state, and it is situated on Tapti river. So this is what your chapter is, irrigation and power project. The names of some projects are given in column A. It's already mentioned in column A, and the names of the states that benefited by the projects are given in column B. That also it is given. You just have to write the names of the rivers on which the projects are built in the blank, and help box is provided, so you can directly copy down the correct spellings from there. So column A and column B is already provided to you, and it is correct one only. Only thing is you have to pick the correct river's name and write in this column. So all the rivers name should be written with capital letter since they are proper nouns, and the spelling should be copied it from there. Okay, so in this particular chapter you just have to learn the river's name. So you will be completing this page number 17 in your textbook. So that's all for today. Thank you and take care.